Now, I bought this box of beads off of Amazon. It was really reasonable. And it says that it's 1,000 pieces, so let's see how many are really here. It's got some 8s, 6s, and 4s. There's some beautiful color mixes here. I don't think I'm going to separate them. I actually like these mixed up. If you're new to beading, this is a really nice color mix because it goes with a lot, and you don't have to have a huge selection of beads. This would go really pretty with reds, blues, greens, any of those jewel tones would look really nice with these. So let me string these up and I'll be right back and show you how much are really in this box. Okay, so I've strung them all up and I have to say they are gorgeous. This is a beautiful mix of coffee colored beads and a little bit of gold. They've got a wonderful sparkle. They're very even. They're very nicely cut. Out of the whole box, I only got one broken bead. It was this one, which was a size 8 bead. Not bad. I usually get a broken bead on every strand, so that's okay. And I got one bicone bead that just slipped in, so we can always use that on something else. But I got perfect 6s. They're really, really pretty. I strung these randomly because I actually love this mix. And if you're new to beading and you're wondering what color to get, this mix goes with a lot of jewel tones, so it's something you could be very happy with. Now, I do want to give you the measurements. The 4mm, I had 58¼ inches of strands. If that gives you an idea of how much, if you're doing bracelets or something, a bracelet's usually 7½ inches, so that gives you an idea. I had 77 inches of the 6mm, which I was really surprised I had that much. The 8mm, I only had 25 inches. So if you use more 8s than the smaller ones, this might not be the lot for you. But if you're doing something like this bracelet that I have in my tutorials on my memberships, this uses just 8s and 4s, and it uses quite a few 4s, more 4s than 8s. This might be a good mix for you. So it really depends on what you're using them for, how this works for you. But I thought it was an overall great buy for how much you got and how beautiful they are.